everyone, Mike Sherry here at Sherry Vans. Today I'm featuring one of our brand new vehicles. This is a brand new 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan with a brand new wheelchair channel in it. It's the long wheelchair channel, 90 inches long, room for up to 2 wheelchairs. Now the wheelchair conversion, everything that's been done back here to make this accessible for wheelchairs, has a warranty on it. It's a 3-year unlimited mile warranty, which is, in my experience, the best warranty in the industry, being unlimited miles. Again, 90 inches long. There's hooks in the floor down here for your tie downs for up to 2 wheelchairs. And then you have your shoulder straps here for up to 2 wheelchairs. And it does come with one set of the Q-strand tie downs for one of the spots in the floor. Again, comes with one. If you want the second one, that can be purchased separately. But what we find is most people just have use for just one spot, but it's nice to have the big long channel, get the wheelchair up front there with everyone else. Wheelchair dimensions here, about 91 inches long, just under 33 inches here at the bottleneck. That's your ramp catch. This metal around the bumper, that's a protective coating. If you'd happen to hit that with your chair, it's really strong. It's metal coated with a ceramic coating. The ramp itself is just under 34 inches wide. And check out here, nice gentle approach to get in there. The ramp is powder coated with a slip resistant material. It is aluminum. It weighs just under 7 pounds. So whether you're raising or lowering, you're only going to exert about 7 pounds of force. There are handles on both sides of the ramp here to help you to get it in or out. And then once it's in, it slides right in the catch there. That catch keeps the ramp from rattling and also keeps the ramp in place while traveling down the road. Particularly if you happen to get in a rear impact collision, it's going to keep that rear ramp in place. All the other rear ramp mobility companies I've seen out there do not provide that. Now, benefit of the rear entry over a side entry mobility van is you have the ability to literally park this vehicle anywhere. You don't have to wait for the handicap space to open up and the big space beside it to be empty. You can pull in your garage and unload in there. Just a lot of benefits there. Also, it's a very simple process. You saw how I do it. There's no like electronically moving parts. Everything's mechanical, and there's just the ramp up and down, 2 latches you can do with one hand. So very simple. No hydraulics that would break or not work when it gets really cold out like the side entries. So what we find is a lot of customers, they trade their side entries in on these vans. And one of the biggest benefits is these vans are about 50% of the cost of those side entry vans. It's a great deal there. It does have backup camera here. Again, brand new van. Sliding doors here. Still has 4 of the factory seats in it. These 2 rear seats have been slid over just slightly, but can still sit there. Still have the airbag, or still have the seat belts and all that in there. Still does have the airbags too on the side things here. And then up front here in the driver and passenger area, nothing has been changed up here. So this is just factory van. Now this van's rated up to 25 miles a gallon on the highway. It's front wheel drive, so you can drive it just about any time of the year. Sits really nice. You don't have to climb up in or drop down into. It's just a nice sitting van. This right here is actually a spot for an umbrella. Has your black cloth seats in it. 17 miles on this one, so again, brand new van. Full factory warranty, 5 year, 60,000 mile warranty on this, on the powertrain. Has one-touch windows up front here in the driver passenger area, power windows in the second row right there, and then power fold-out in the third row. Remote controlled mirrors that are also heated. Cruise control on the steering wheel here. And then back here, there's some hidden buttons for volume and tuning. Speaking of volume, the radio does sound really nice. It has AM and FM capabilities. And then your comfort controls down here. You have your driver and passenger zones and a rear zone. So 3 zones of comfort controls. Now if the folks in the rear want to control their own, there's controls right here for the rear as well. So you can either control it up front here or back there in the second row. Great vans. If you think this will fit you and suit some of the needs that you have currently, by all means give us a call. We'll really make it easy to purchase these. Financing is available, and you can actually get pre-approved right from home on whatever device you're watching this video on. Take a look at the link below if you're interested in that. This says financing. If you have a trade-in, we trade in all vehicles. So if you have a trade-in, by all means get in contact with us. And we actually have an app on our website where you can fill out your trade information and we can make you an offer based on that. So as always, if you have any questions, let us know. We look forward to the opportunity to earn your business. And if you do choose one of these Caravans, I think you will really come to enjoy these vehicles. So with that, this is this brand new 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan with a rear entry mobility channel.